This video series explores the topic of sustainable tourism through 5 episodes. Episode 3 examines strategies for marketing sustainable tourism destinations and attractions, highlighting how authenticity, storytelling, and credible green branding attract environmentally conscious travelers. Travelers say they want sustainable experiences, but what persuades them to choose yours without greenwashing? In this video, we'll cover authenticity, storytelling, and green branding with tactics marketers can deploy. This video shows how to turn real practices into messages that build trust and demand, and it leaves you with a 3-part playbook. Prove it, tell it, brand it. The first is authenticity. Authenticity is key to attracting environmentally conscious travelers seeking genuine, meaningful experiences. First, managers can highlight local cultural heritage and continuity, developing marketing campaigns showcasing traditions, crafts, and community-led tours. Second, build trust by foregrounding transparent certifications, such as Green Key, Fair Trade Tourism, and LEED, much like Seychelles eco-resorts that clearly showcase their sustainability credentials. Finally, avoid greenwashing. Skip exaggerated claims and provide evidence like carbon offset programs or community benefits, earning the confidence of skeptical travelers. The second strategy is storytelling. Storytelling builds emotional connections, making sustainable destinations memorable. There are 3 storytelling moves to emphasize. First, lead with impact narratives. Show how tourism supports conservation or local livelihoods, aligning with eco-conscious values. Second, embrace digital storytelling. Use blogs, short videos, and social media to spotlight authentic voices like local guides and conservation partners. Finally, weave in educational narratives. Explain the environmental challenges and the concrete actions travelers can take, turning awareness into sustainable contributions. The third strategy, green branding. Green branding positions destinations as environmentally responsible, drawing travelers who prioritize sustainability. Start with an eco-friendly visual identity. Use natural imagery, earthy tones, and eco-labels like New Zealand's 100% Pure campaign, which showcases pristine landscapes and sustainability commitments. Next, maintain consistent sustainability messaging. Highlight practices like renewable energy or waste reduction across websites, social media, and brochures, as Iceland does with its geothermal-powered attractions. Now let's see what this looks like in the wild. Case study: Costa Rica, a destination that turns lived sustainability into brand trust through culture, proof, and story. Costa Rica's marketing deeply integrates sustainability as a way of life, not just a tourism strategy. The official tourism website highlights that sustainability permeates local cuisine, artisan crafts, customs, and celebrations, which reinforces authenticity and cultural richness. The concept of pura vida, a phrase symbolizing a joyful, balanced lifestyle, further personalizes and authenticates the visitor experience, making the destination's sustainability message more relatable and credible. Costa Rica prominently markets its extraordinary biodiversity, hosting 6% of the world's species and dedicating over a quarter of its land to conservation. This tangible commitment to environmental protection is a core pillar of its green branding, attracting travelers who prioritize nature and wildlife experiences. Costa Rica's tourism sector emphasizes green certifications such as the Certification for Sustainable Tourism, CST, which signals to travelers that accommodations and tour operators meet rigorous environmental and social standards. The country's commitment to renewable energy, hydroelectric, wind, geothermal, and ambitious goals like carbon neutrality are integral to its green branding, positioning Costa Rica as a global leader in sustainable tourism. Recent digital storytelling campaigns like Essential Costa Rica, My Choice, naturally leverage partnerships with the UNWTO and CNN to create aspirational, sensory-rich advertising that highlights authentic travel experiences and well-being. This campaign moves beyond traditional product promotion to emphasize personal connections with nature and culture, using storytelling to build emotional resonance with eco-conscious travelers. In closing, effective marketing of sustainable tourism rests on three pillars: verified practice, clear narrative, and consistent brand expression. Authenticity is demonstrated through third-party standards and measurable outcomes. Storytelling translates those outcomes into meaning, and disciplined branding ensures the promise is coherent across every touchpoint. In short, prove it, tell it, and brand it. Thank you very much for watching episode 3. If you're interested in sustainable tourism, feel free to check out our other episodes as well.